Welcome to Advanced Database Cleaner, the complete solution for maintaining, optimizing, and cleaning your WordPress database. Over time, your database accumulates unnecessary data, old revisions, expired transients, orphaned entries, and leftover tables from uninstalled plugins. Advanced Database Cleaner gives you full visibility and control over every part of your database, helping you identify what's safe to remove and keep your WordPress installation running efficiently. Let's take a quick tour of what this plugin can do for you. First, we have the General Cleanup module, your starting point for quick database maintenance. This module automatically detects items that are safe to delete, like post revisions, auto drafts, spam comments, trashed posts, expired transients, and more. You can preview exactly what will be removed before taking action. And you can even configure Keep Last rules to preserve recent data while cleaning out the older entries. It's the fastest way to reclaim space and reduce database bloat. To have a detailed view on this module, please check its dedicated video. You'll find the link in the description. Next, let's talk about the core data management modules: tables, options, post meta, user meta, transients, and cron jobs. These 6 modules share a similar structure and workflow, so let me walk you through how they work using the Options module as an example. When you open the Options module, you'll see a complete list of all options in your database. At the top, there is an orange preset area that immediately highlights important information, like when large options are detected or when your auto-load size exceeds the recommended limit. Each message includes a filter link that instantly displays the relevant entries. Below that, you'll find the Filters bar, where you can search and filter by various criteria. Next, you'll see the categorization filters, quick shortcuts like All Options, Orphans, Plugin Options, Theme Options, WordPress Options, and Not Scanned. Now, the key feature here is the Belongs To column. Right after installing the plugin, this column only shows data for WordPress Core and for Advanced Database Cleaner itself. To detect which plugin or theme created the other options, you'll need to run a scan. Click Start a Scan for Options and choose between a local scan or a full scan that also connects to our central server for higher accuracy. To have a detailed view on the scan feature, please check its dedicated video. You'll find the link in the description. Once the scan completes, the Belongs To column is updated, showing you exactly which plugin, theme, or WordPress core each option belongs to, along with its status, active, inactive, or not installed. Next to many entries, you'll find a More Info icon that opens a detailed panel showing known plugins or themes that use that option. Above the list, you'll find the Bulk Actions menu, where you can rescan selected items, manually edit their ownership, or delete them permanently. Now, this exact same structure and workflow applies to the other 5 modules: Tables, Post Meta, User Meta, Transients, and Cron jobs. Of course, each module has its own specifications and unique features. For example, transients show expiration status, tables let you optimize and repair, and cron jobs display scheduling details. But the overall approach is consistent across all 6. We have dedicated videos for each of these modules that go into all the details and unique features. Check the description for all the links. Now, the Automation module, one of the most powerful features. Here, you can schedule all your cleanup tasks to run automatically at your chosen frequency, once daily, weekly, monthly, or even custom intervals. You can configure which items to clean, set Keep Last rules, and let the plugin handle everything in the background. Each automated task keeps a detailed log of what was cleaned and when, so you always have full visibility. For detailed view of the Automation module, check the description for the video link. Here we have the DB Analytics module, tracks how your database evolves over time. It records daily snapshots of your database size, table count, and individual table growth, giving you charts and data to see exactly when and why your database gets heavier. You can compare multiple tables, see their size and row count changes, and identify which ones are growing too fast or need attention. Here in the top right of all plugin pages, you can check your current database size and its change compared to the last recorded size from Analytics module. There's also a detailed video for database analytics. Link is in the description. Next is the Addons Activity module, which keeps a complete history of all plugin and theme activity on your site. Every time a plugin or theme is activated, deactivated, or uninstalled, this module records it with a timestamp. This is incredibly useful when investigating orphan data. You can verify whether a plugin was previously installed and confirm that leftover entries are safe to remove. We have a video covering this module. Check the description. Then we have the Info and Logs module, which provides system information, error logs, and WordPress debug logs all in one place. You can copy or download your system info to share with support, review any errors logged by the plugin, and inspect WordPress debug output if you've enabled debugging. It's a helpful resource for troubleshooting and getting support. There's a detailed video for this module too. Link is in the description. Finally, the Settings page, where you configure how the plugin behaves. You can manage your license, customize the interface, adjust scan settings, enable analytics and add-on tracking, configure remote scan credits, and more. You can check the settings detailed video link in the description for more information. Everything across the plugin features is explained clearly with tooltips and help links to guide you. Advanced Database Cleaner is designed to give you complete control over your WordPress database with safety, transparency, and efficiency in mind. And remember, before performing any major cleanup or deletion, always create a full database backup.